Hello guys, welcome to Elementron Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss a new MATLAB project called Vehicle License Plate Detection. Firstly, we'll discuss about the project idea and why it is built, and with that I will introduce some ideas to convert this project into your mega project, something like that. And apart from that, I am going to discuss the code and the algorithm which we will be using to demonstrate the vehicle license plate detection through MATLAB. So let's get started. To start with, let me just add where we can use this license plate detection. So let us say if we have a number of vehicle passing through a load, so we can track the number plates and we will get a clear picture apart from the obstacles which we have. So in this demo, I'm going to show you some picture and we'll just track down the number plate of it. So let us directly jump into the coding part. Firstly, you need to open MATLAB software and you might see a command window like this. Then you need to open a new script, then you have to write a code. So I have already written the code, so I will directly go to my editor window. So in this editor window, I have opened my vehicle number plate.m file and I have written a code for that. So the first line says I am read UI get file. So I'm asking for the image input from this project. So that should be in the format of JPG. So there is another method from where you can use a GUI option. I have already discussed these kind of features in my previous videos, so I'll provide a link card so you can directly go and watch those videos for your project. And also for a reference, I'll show you how it is done previously. So previously there was a GUI IP, that is nothing but image processing project which I have done. So after running the project, I have shown how to prepare a GUI, how to add buttons and everything. So the GUI layout is something like that. Then I have provided a button. So here upload image button you can see. So you can click on upload image and this UI get file will come, and then you need to select that image which you want to load. So for this project we are going to use vehicle 1 and the format is JPG. Make sure the format is correct if you are asking user for JPG format. Then when you open it, that image will be displayed here. So the same way you can do it in your project. If you want the GUI, I have given the link in my description. Apart from that, you can see multiple videos in my channel and you will get a better picture how to use the GUI function and make an application out of it. So talking about the vehicle number plate detection code, so we ask for the picture and first we will convert it to gray. So we use RGB to gray function. So once that conversion is happened, we are showing the image A. So the first image, the first figure will be a gray converted RGB image which we will upload. Apart from that, the line number 4, we are taking the size, the dimensions, row, column and pixels. So RC defines row and column, and P is nothing but the product of R and C, that is the number of pixels the image contains. The P value is very important because we are going to mask out all the other obstacles apart from the number plate. So all the obstacles we need to mask out, that's why the number of pixels are very important for us. Then we are using a parameter B and we are taking row divided by 3 to R and 1 to C. So we are taking part the area of it and we are going to show the image which area we are going to target. I'll show this clear picture in that, and after that we are going to take size of B. So I said about the masking, right? So this is the masking, and the masking algorithm is we are dividing all the row by 3 and we are going to check for that area. And then we are showing the image B, that will be our figure number 2. Just note down that the figure 1 will be gray converted RGB image and figure 2 will be masked image. So then first we are taking out 0. This is our output image, which will be just number plate. For that, first we are taking the entire dimension, that is R comma C row columns, and we are making it to zeros. So the value of out matrix will be 0. So images literally are taken as a matrix in MATLAB. So first we are making everything to 0. Then we have two for loops. Obviously, if we have row columns, we will need two for loops, and in those two for loops we are going through for I equals to 1 to R and j equals to 1 to C. So if we see inside that, we are going to check the ij, the b of ij, the pixel value is greater than 50 or not. So for now, the algorithm which I have designed is to find a number plate that is all India permitted white plate cards. So this is the code for that. So it is checking for the value. If it is greater than 150, then we are giving it to 1, and if it is less than 150, we are giving the out to 0, which was previously there. Then we need to load the out. So while loading, it is important. First we need to black white fill out comma holes. All the holes will be filled out. Then we need to take medfill2 function, that is median filter 2 function, and we have to give the all the values. So that, see, let's see, we got the image 2, that was our black mask out, and that we have, and then we have a we have white color obstacles also, that shouldn't be there. So we are searching for something that is a number plate kind of stuff. So then we are going to show the image number 3. So image number 3 is nothing but the mask out just for the number plate, apart from all the white obstacles which we have. For this, make sure I'm going to show two pictures, that is figure number 2 and figure number 3. So we have to make the differences. We need to see the differences. What are the difference between figure 2 and figure 3 and how it is different. This entire line of code from line number 19 till line number 42. So these line codes just represent the filtering out. Filtering out is important to have a good quality of output. So let's see how we get the output at the end. So after showing the figure, that is figure number 3, will have the cleared mask, black mask, and after we get that mask, we need to show the output. For that, we need to find the xmin, x out, then we have to show the image, and all the out should be zeros. So the algorithm from line number 44 till line number 64 will do the overlapping of the mask image and the original image, and whichever object is left, that object will be our number plate. So we can say that we are subtracting the mask with the original. So whatever mask we got, and after subtracting the rest of the obstacles, everything, or the car parts, so we are just left with the number plate. So let's see how it goes with the demo. Let's run the project. As you can see, the new window will pop up, and that window will ask a user to select a file to open. So the first line of our code, that was UI get file in the format of JPG. So we are asking a user to select a file which is in JPG format, and from that format we are going to extract a vehicle number plate. So let's see, we have given vehicle 1 JPG. Let me select that, and after I select, okay, this image is loaded and the process has gone through. The benefit of using GUI or application, which I showed in our image processing, the video link is there. Also I have provided the card, so you can go and refer that. The benefit of it will be you can choose the process. you can give different functionality for different buttons. So previously I showed how to upload an image. After uploading an image, calculate mask, you can give the function. You can choose this part of a code, whatever lines I mentioned earlier, you can choose that part of a code to occur, to happen at that click of a button. After that, we have an output. For calculating the output, for showing the image, you can use a radio button, and after clicking this figure 4, that is our output, will be seen. So let us just analyze all the images, and as I said, the figure 2 and figure 3, this is important. See, if you see the original image, so the Maurya is also in white and black, but we are just focused on the vehicle plate number. We don't want to filter out Maurya. So in the second mask, the Maurya was considered because it was in the white and black format in this rectangular pattern. But after we filtered out, when we use the median filter, we got the figure number 3. Here you can see we have only the plate format, and when we do the mapping, that is deleting with the original image, you can see this was the original image and that was our mask. When we delete, we are expecting just a number plate, and that is what was our output. So this was the exact algorithm. So we can try with multiple different vehicles and a video format. The next project which I might work is on the video, how to extract number plates on a live recording or a live camera. So please subscribe to our channel for amazing MATLAB projects and other kind of learnings, and hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends, and you can convert this project into a mini for your school or college project, a mini project kind of stuff, or you can add more features. You can try the live mapping and live video detection, live vehicle license plate detection, everything. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.